Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look older than I feel? Even though you may feel full of energy and youthful, your hairstyle could be making you look older than you actually are. After 60, many women still feel vibrant, healthy, and full of life. But certain hair habits or the wrong hairstyle choices might unintentionally reveal your true age. Today, we're going to take a look at the common hair mistakes women over 60 make, and how to fix them to help you look younger and feel more refreshed. Mistake #1. Too short and too flat hairstyles. Short, flat hairstyles can unintentionally highlight natural changes in your face, such as a softening jawline, sagging cheeks, or a higher forehead. When the hair is cut too short and hugs the scalp without volume or structure, it draws attention to these areas, making you look older than you feel. This is especially noticeable when the hair lacks softness or movement, leaving the face looking harsher and less youthful. Instead of going for a super short cut, try a pixie style with soft layers and a bit of volume at the crown. This style will not only bring life and balance to your face, but will also maintain a feminine and fresh look. The added volume softens the features and creates natural movement, making you look lighter and more vibrant. A slightly lifted pixie will give your face a more sculpted look, especially around areas like the jawline and chin. You can wear this style for everything from casual days to formal events because it's not only easy to manage but also flattering and youthful. Engagement prompt. Have you ever tried a shortcut only to feel like it made you look older? Would you be open to adding a little volume to your hair to bring back some of that youthful energy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Next, let's move on to another common mistake many women over 60 make. Long, heavy hair without any volume or layers. Did you know that long, flat hair can also make you look older? Let's dive into this next. Mistake #2. Heavy one-length long hair with a single flat color and no layers can make your face appear heavy, lacking energy and less youthful. When your hair falls straight without any movement or dimension, it can make your features look weighed down, creating a tired and aged appearance. This is especially true when the hair lacks volume, making the face appear more elongated or harsh. To fix this, consider adding light layers and creating some natural volume. Layers will give your hair a fuller, more lively look, brightening up your face and adding softness to your features. Instead of sticking to one-length long hair, try layering it to give it depth and movement, allowing your hair to breathe and frame your face beautifully. Adding layers will help your hair look fuller and more dynamic, avoiding that heavy, lifeless feeling. With the right layers and volume, you'll notice a refreshing, youthful look without the weight that drags your face down. A little extra volume at the crown and around the face can make a huge difference in lifting and softening your appearance. Engagement prompt. Do you feel like your long, one-length hair makes you look tired or weighed down? Are you ready to try adding layers and volume to create a lighter, more youthful look? Let me know in the comments below. Next, let's talk about another common mistake, choosing a hair color that's too dark, which can make your face appear dull and older. Let's explore that next. Mistake #3. Hair color that's too dark. A hair color that's too dark can make your face appear tired, lackluster, and highlight wrinkles or fine lines. Dark shades like jet black or deep brown create a sharp contrast with your skin, making your face look dull and drained of energy. These dark colors can make your complexion look pale and uneven, drawing attention to imperfections that might otherwise go unnoticed. The solution is to switch to warmer tones like chestnut, caramel, or add some subtle highlights to brighten your face. Lighter, warmer colors reflect light, giving your face a soft, radiant glow that makes you look fresh and rejuvenated. Highlights or slightly lighter tones help soften facial features and add depth to your hair, creating a more vibrant and youthful appearance. Instead of sticking to a flat, dark color, try experimenting with softer shades that brighten your face. This small change will bring out a natural glow and make your complexion appear more balanced and luminous. Mistake #4. Not having bangs. Not having bangs can make the changes on your forehead, like fine lines and uneven contours, more noticeable. When the forehead is completely exposed, signs of aging such as wrinkles and expression lines become more prominent, which can make your face look less balanced and softer. Without bangs, these natural changes over time become more visible, creating an overall look that may feel incomplete or harsh. Adding bangs can soften and balance out your face. Side-swept bangs or light, wispy bangs can help smooth out sharp lines on the forehead while bringing more balance to your overall look. Bangs also help highlight your eyes, drawing attention to them and adding a lively, youthful energy to your face. They not only conceal some of the wrinkles, but also give your face a fuller, fresher appearance. Bangs create harmony in the facial features by softening the upper part of the face. They help focus attention on the eyes, creating a dynamic and youthful look. With bangs, you can reduce the emphasis on imperfections, creating a balanced and youthful appearance. Adding bangs can make your face appear more proportional and lively, giving you a fresh and youthful glow. Mistake #5. Dry, dull, and lifeless hair. Dry and dull hair can make your face look tired and lacking in vitality, even if your haircut and color are on point. When hair loses its natural moisture, it becomes lackluster and lifeless. This can make your face appear dull, and even with a great haircut and color, dry, lackluster hair can make your overall look seem worn out and flat. The solution is to use specialized hair care products designed for aging hair, such as moisturizing oils, conditioners, and natural oils like argan oil. These products help restore moisture, soften hair, and keep it shiny and smooth. Regular trims are also essential to prevent split ends and keep your hair looking fresh, soft, and healthy. Healthy, shiny, and soft hair will make your face look more vibrant and full of life. By maintaining a good hair care routine, you can keep your hair strong, moisturized, and full of energy, which will instantly boost your overall appearance. To look youthful and vibrant, it's all about choosing a hairstyle that complements your age and current style, not just chasing trends or trying to turn back time. Instead of focusing on fighting age, embrace your natural beauty with a hairstyle and color that reflect the amazing woman you are today. Sometimes, simple changes like soft bangs, a brighter color, or a new cut can make all the difference in boosting your confidence and giving you a fresh, youthful look. Leave a comment sharing your favorite hairstyle or a story about a hair transformation you've made. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more beauty tips for women over 60.